All right, people. So all that negative stuff out of the way now. We get what we want to set off our chest. We now go focus on the players them in the squad. Because no matter how long we lament on the issues surrounding the JFF, Leon Bailey, Craig Butler, that not going to go anytime soon. So it makes sense we lament on it. But what we should definitely talk about is what are our hopes and expectations going to the Copa America. Me, today, this morning, me I look at me and say, you know me think say, this formation and this particular setup would definitely be suitable for this Reggae Boyz squad. But I am not saying what Al Grimson is doing is wrong. This is not Al Grimson's squad. Selection. This is not what Al Grimson possibly might do. This is me, just a fan, just from a fan or an analyst perspective of what I think could be the best possible setup our team for us. No, not because I think so necessarily means it right, or it don't necessarily mean it wrong either. But I'm not a coach, so I'm going to leave the coaching part to the professional who has the credentials to do so. But we have to do the fans part, so we're going to do the amateur stuff, which is the fans' perspective of what our team can or possibly look like for the first game versus Mexico. How will the Reggae Boyz first starting 11 might look like versus Mexico from a fan perspective? Pick up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thoroughly appreciate the continued support. You're going. Video brought to you by Yard Leaf JA. Big up on yourself, Yard Leaf JA. Really appreciate working with you guys. And people go and check them out on the IG page. A lot of details. You're going now, people. Let's get into the meat of the matter. Me not go waste no time. People. I'm going to just jump straight into it, because I don't know. So when I say, I'm G, I chat a bit, I talk. Right, look how long you talk. That fear is not, man. Hey, such. Whatever. So this is what it looks like. This one looks like it's a 4-2-3-1 formation. Basically, I would say a more balanced system. Now, I'm going to give explanation for each and every player and the reason why I opted to go with that particular player. There could be, with the front line now, that is where a bit more flexibility comes in. But let's start off with the goalkeeper. We all know Connor Boyce Clark, wonderful young keeper. Andre Blake is their captain. Connor Boyce Clark, youngster, him still in the line. Still have to wait until fin time come in the ranking order. Andre Blake, captain, and we all know the situation with Andre Blake. Still just coming back from surgery. Well, nearly come back from surgery as yet, so I highly doubt he's fully fit. Nevertheless, he's still there with the squad, which is a good look in my view. Then we have Shaquan Davis also lower in the pecking order. So we all know that the first choice here after Andre Blake will be Jamal Wade. So that don't necessarily need a lot of explanation. The back four now, which is crucial, very crucial, because defense wins you title. Not saying we're going to win the title, but defense wins you title. What a defense does, it gives you a higher chance of getting a result from the game. If you don't concede, you can get a result from the game. Even though, you can get something from the game. Either a draw or a win. Once you don't concede, you're in good position. So the defense is very important. Specifically, the balance of the defense. Now, let me give you an idea of how we go about doing selecting the defense. Now, this video is a detailed video, people. I want to know. Take out the pen and paper. For the defense, we go to right back, Lemby Kisa. Now, we all know Wes Harden is back. Wes Harden is back. But the thing is, we haven't seen him in the team for so long. We are unsure if he's really adapted to the Al Grimson system or really adapted to the Al Grimson system in such a short time. So, Lemby Kisa has been really brilliant so far for the Reggae Boyz. So, hands down, I do think that Lemby Kisa will be will be the man to start at the right back. Now, left back is Greg Lay. Even though Amar Bell is there, I still am unsure if Amar Bell is fully fit. Even though he's back, I'm still unsure if he's fully fit, ready to take on, especially these high-level competitive games. Now, so Greg Lay and Lembi Kisa are the left back and the right back selection, respectively. Now, we're going to go with the centre back pairing, which is very important, crucial. A double pairing of Deshaun Bernard and Ethan Pinnock. Now, let me explain to you why I went for. Now, we all know Ethan Pinnock. I think Ethan Pinnock is the best defender we have. Not think. Actually, he's the best defender we have in the ranking order. But the reason why I went for Bernard to pair him is, now, I do understand that when you come on to balance, especially for a defensive period, you want one who's cool and collected, but you also want the aggressor. And I think that Bernard is the aggressor. Ethan Pinnock is a cool and collected player. So I think that is more of a balance. One aggressive to make the first tackle, get in the challenge. Ethan Pinnock drop off and clean things up. Now, I could also go with Damian Lowe, but I opted to go with Damian Lowe in the central area. More so because for the Al Grimson system, what he's doing right now, even though, funny enough, because I say I'm my team, May I make it see as that. All right. So I went for Bernard and Ethan Pinnock. No, the thing is, for the centre back period, you could go for two calm and collective centre back. Probably because Michael Hector and Ethan Pinnock are Richard King and Ethan Pinnock because of how they are playing style. They're quite calm, quite technical, and really calm under pressure. So I could go for that, but I don't think that's for me personally. I don't think that's the right balance. You have to have someone, the aggressor. You need to have, even if you go right across the highest stage of football, there must be one person who's aggressive. We get into that first. So that's my defense pair. In the central midfield zone now, I have Damian Lowe and Kera Anderson as the midfield pairing. As I said, Damian Lowe, the aggressive one in the midfield, first in tackles, try to recover the ball as fast as possible. Now, from the last two games, I have to say that I've been very impressed on the growth of Kera Anderson. I think he's where growth is. I think where consistency is very consistent. Just watching him over the last few games, his numbers are very good, extremely good. Holding the ball, and I see he's kind of getting a little anti-pressure type of thing. You know, like the type of player where you can't really press because he invite pressure, then he release the ball, and he's quite technical. So I'm liking what I'm seeing from Kera Anderson. Because I think having a Damian Lowe beside him, someone is going to do all that dirty work and let him just do the finishing aspect of it. I think that, for me personally, that's a good bit of balance right there. Now, we're going to look at the attacking lineup now, where this is the fun part. This is the fun part, but not only the fun part. This is the exciting part for me. Now, we have a lot of options in the attacking third. We have a lot of options in the attacking third. Now, for me personally, I went for Bobby Reed on the right, Ronaldo Cephas on the left, and Demarai Gray in the attacking midfield. Now, the reason why I went for Bobby Reed on the right is I do think that Bobby Reed is technically gifted enough to play in the attacking midfield position, but I think I want him out wide solely because I think I would want Demarai Gray more central to be the creator. I want him to be the creator. I want Demarai Gray to be the one who's on the ball. I think the more dangerous we can be is the more on the ball that Demarai Gray is. So I do think that that's a situation that I want our attacking lineup to be. Demarai Gray on the ball. He can either go out wide, left or right, or he can go straight to Shaman Nicholson, or he can go at goal if he's in the particular position. So that's the reason why I have Bob Reed out wide. Bob Reed is actually a versatile player, can play multiple positions. So Bob Reed out wide, versatile player, can play multiple position. I do think he's quite comfortable out there. That's not nothing new to Bob Reed. As I said, as I give my explanation just a minute ago for Demarai Gray in the attacking midfield position, he has a skill set. He can definitely get the job done in that era. But I want Demarai Gray to be on the ball. I want to see him gliding across that pitch like we always do. On the left-hand side, I'm going with Ronaldo Cephas. And if you look at that entire three there in the attacking between Bobby Reid, Gray, and Cephas, that is a lot of pace. Now, where technical ability is concerned, maybe Cephas is a little bit less technical than them, and just maybe probably work a little bit more on his decision making in the final third. But this is a very, very dangerous throw, a very, very dangerous throw. Then now in front of them. Well, Cephas is there because I want the pace. I really, really want the pace. We need players who will get behind. Because remember, people, we'll be doing a lot of defending. So we definitely going to need these players who are quite quick and assured going forward. So up front now, we have the target man, Shamar, Boza, Nicholson. Now, people are going to say, why not go for Antonio, who can hold the ball and bring the other players them, bringing the other players them. The reason I'm going for Boza is in the form of his life for the Reggae Boyz. It's a long time we haven't seen a Reggae boy who consistently score. No matter what happened at the game, he's consistently scoring. And he has not failed us so far. So I do think based off that, he definitely should be rewarded with the starting in this aspect. So I'm going for that. And if many persons don't know, most of the players in this particular team are players who can play multiple roles. Kera Anderson. Let me start from the defense. Lemmy Kisa, right back, right wing back, right wing. That's Lemmy Kisa. She's position. Greg Lee, left back, left centre back, left wing back, and left wing. That's 4 position. Ethan Pinnock, both Ethan Pinnock and Bernard, them position kind of set. Damian Lowe, now we see him play central midfield, defensive midfield, and also centre back. Maybe Ethan Pinnock maybe, just maybe, not sure. I've never really seen him. Kera Anderson, central midfield, attacking midfield, CDM. So another player who can play multiple positions as well. Bobby Reid, everywhere, even that goal. Demarai Gray, right midfield, right wing, left wing, attacking midfield, and he also can strike. Cephas is more of a one of the pure type of wingers them. Go down the line, get behind his man, go down the line, also cut inside. So Cephas not necessarily multi-position, but he can also play right or left wing. So that's all I said. Boza, I think can play a bit of a false nine, can drop deep, collect the ball, but he also can play the target man role, stay up high, and invite the players them to come and put the ball on his feet. So this formation for me personally, I see a bit of balance in the midfield. Damian Lowe helping the defenders, Kera Anderson helping the attackers, and we have 4 attackers. 4 attackers, that's Shaman Nicholson, Cephas, Bobby Reid, and Gray, and then we have 4 defenders, and they can kind of slightly split the midfield. So we have 2 in the middle who can stand up and dictate play. You can also have Demarai Gray trouble dropping in the middle of the park, helping out the 2 midfielders them, whichever way you think it can go. But for me personally, I do think I like this formation. This is the fun. This is not Al Grims. This is me. This is me. Some can like it. So many people are gonna say, why? It don't look good this alright, but it's me, people. And people are gonna cuss about certain players. But what I want you guys to do, go in the comment section and tell me, from that way you see, what changes would you make to that particular team? Not only that, I want you to go in the comment section and tell me what your team would look like. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Let's focus now on the players that are in the team, which is the important players at this present moment. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for taking that 10 to 15 minutes out of your day to spend the time with us. Really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Have a wonderful day, people. God bless. Boom.